Hi everybody. I'm glad to see you, even though it's through video. Bummer. But I think I see, is that Anthony? Hey Anthony. Hi Sherry. Hey Colton. I hope everybody's doing great. We all miss you at school, so I thought I'd bring you a little bit of music today. You know, because I miss seeing you, but I also miss the sounds that you guys make, the beautiful music. And I thought I could teach you a little bit about sound today. Repeat after me. I can explain where sound comes from. I've got some little helpers here to help me out. First, my guitar string. Sound comes from energy. The energy is called vibration, and it's a sound that moves back and forth, vibrates. The sound wave goes up and down and up and down. Listen and watch my string. Can you see how the string vibrates? A little tricky to see, but that sound travels through the air into your ear, vibrates in your eardrum, and then your brain picks up nerve signals. Then your brain figures out what sound that is. So, sound comes from energy, vibrations that travel through the air, through your ear, and send nerve signals to your brain. And I was thinking you guys could make some sound makers at home. And there's an easy way you can do it. All you need to do is find some tubes, like toilet paper tubes. You can find tubes in like wrapping, gift wrapping boxes. You could even find them like in foil boxes or wax paper boxes. I found some tubes and I made some kazoos. So I painted it, you know, I like to paint and make it pretty. Then I put some wax paper around the end, put a rubber band around it, and poked a sound hole in its top. That helps the vibrations. Here's what it sounds like. Pretty cool, huh? So the wax paper vibrates and makes the sound. So there's my little pink one. I made a blue one too. You'll notice they all sound different. Here's a little guy made with some duct tape from the dollar store. And of course, you know, I had a fancy one up. So this one goes like this. Not so good on the vibrating. How about this one? Well, you have to experiment with it. You got to make sure that wax paper's on there tight. You might need more than one rubber band. For some reason, this one sounds the best. You'll have to experiment and find out. So you can make an instrument, a sound maker at home, called a kazoo. Remember, just take a cardboard tube, cut out a piece of wax paper. It can be a square or a circle. Wrap it around the top, put a rubber band around it, and take your scissor and poke a sound hole in the top. Once you do that, you've got yourself a kazoo. So, I hope you all make some great sounds and some great music, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to sing every day.